Mode single function returns the most frequently occurring or repetitive value in an array or range of data. In number 1 box, select the numbers or names, arrays or cell references that contains numbers from which you want the mode. You can add up to 255 numbers argument in a function arguments dialog box. In number 1 box, select this cell references range, click OK. Function returns 5 in this cell. Because most repetitive number in this range is 5. You can see 5 occurs in this range 2 times. As a result, function returns this number 5 in this cell. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Scroll down. Click Mode Single Function. In number 1 box, select this cell references range. Click OK. Function returns 10 in this cell. In this range, you can see there are 2 sets of same repetitive numbers. Function returns first set of repetitive number. Active this cell. Click Mode Single Function. In number 1 box, select this cell references range. Click OK. Function returns 8 in this cell. Because most repetitive number in this range is 8. 25 occurs 2 times and 8 occurs 3 times in this range. So most repetitive number in this range is 8. As a result, function returns 8 in this cell. In this way, you can use mode single function in an Excel worksheet.